So another way in Maya to create an ocean is in the effects menu set. Select the effects menu set. The fluids tab, we select ocean. We have some settings here like preview plane size. Okay, so we might make it a little bit bigger, for example 40. Create ocean. So now we have a very simple ocean. This ocean is created from a shader with the ocean shader here. So if we select attributes, the ocean attributes, we can select scale. So if we render, open render view, but first we need to switch to Maya software, so the renderer, and then we press render current frame. So if you change scaling, for example, so it's like the frequency of waves. Okay, we can make it even smaller. And we can see, so number of frequencies, it's like a multiplier. So these parameters are similar. Let's increase again number of frequencies. Increase the number of frequencies. So this is our ocean. So we might render it. Let's make, for example, 100 frames. 100 frames in our timeline. And then go to our render settings. Then select, we might select name, number, extension. And I choose Maya IFF format. It's a native Maya format. And then we specify our frame range, start frame 1 and end frame 100. Then we go to our rendering, we go to the rendering menu set, and then here under the render tab we select batch render. So here we may use, you choose a number of processor and then press batch render. If you batch render and close, Maya will be closed after the rendering is complete. And here, if you choose our script editor here, it's in the lower right corner of the interface here, this icon. You might see our information here, so how it's going on. It started rendering. We will skip this process, the rendering process, and we'll see the final result. So alright, let's see. Now it's finished. So let's see what we have. If you go to File and View Sequence, go to File, View Sequence. we need to look for our untitled file because we didn't name our file. So here it is, our 100 frames, so we select untitled. If you go to full screen, we'll see how it looks. So it doesn't look very natural, but that's out of the box.